work on joining the two legs to make the body. After you finish leg number 1, you would have fastened off, and after you finish leg number 2, continue working from the working loop. Do not fasten off. So what you're going to do after you finish leg 2 is you're going to chain the number of chains indicated in the pattern. For this large doll in particular, I'm going to be making 4 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to join with a single crochet to the first leg that was fastened off. And when you do that, you're going to want to make sure the toes point in the same direction. You don't want to have a toe, pointing backwards while the other one is forwards. So I'm going to point them both in the same direction like so. And then I'm going to basically join leg 1 or leg 2, the second one I made, to the first one I made using 1 single crochet. So here I am inserting my hook into the side of the leg. Let me see here. All right, I think this is about right. I want to go right into the side. And make sure the toes are pointed in the same direction. And once you're sure, you're going to make that single crochet to join. And then you're going to single crochet around the remaining stitches in leg number 1. So here I'm going to single crochet around the entire leg. And now that I've single crocheted all the way around leg number 1, it's time to work across the center chain. So I'm going to insert my hook into the first chain here, and I'm going to make a single crochet. Go into the next chain, and we're going to do the same, single crochet in the next chain, and we're going to single crochet across until we reach leg number 2 again. Sorry, my yarn's a little slippery here. Okay, and now we're going to work into leg number 2. As you can see, we're going into that first stitch in leg number 2. And then we're working by making single crochets all the way around leg number 2. I finished crocheting around leg number 2. This last part is going to be single crocheting across that center bridge, the 4 chains that I made, by inserting 1 single crochet into each chain. Oops. Sorry, you guys, my yarn is like feeling so slippery here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you watching me struggle. Okay, there we go. Got it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so that is the completion of the first joining round of the body. As you can see, you started from leg 2, made that chain across, crocheted around leg 1, crocheted back across the chain to leg 2, crocheted around leg 2, and crocheted back across that chain to leg 1. And here is the end of the round. You can go ahead and place a stitch marker and continue working around following the body's instructions. Let's go ahead and learn how to join the arms to the body. Here I'm at the last round before the arms attachment round. And I happen to be at the front of the doll where the toes are pointed forward. Where I want to be is at the back or the center back of the doll right before starting the arm attachment round. So in my directions, I will tell you to single crochet 8 or 9 or however many stitches before you get to the center back of the doll. Here I'm going to be crocheting, I believe, 9 stitches. Let's see where that takes me. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And at that point, I am at the right about the center of the back side of the doll. Here my toes are pointed forward. Again, I want to make sure I'm right at the back. And the reason we want to start at the back of the doll is that so when you attach the arms in this upcoming round, the arms will be leveled and in the same round instead of one being higher than the other. All right. So before we start on attaching the arms, I like to mark the round with yarn markers to tell me where the arms need to go. If you look at the pattern, it will tell you how many stitches the arms take up and how many stitches the front center and the back center take up. In this particular doll I'm making, the front will take up 5 stitches. The arms will take up 3 stitches each on the side, and then for the back side, it will be 5 stitches for the back. Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. 6 stitches for the front and the back for this particular doll. So I want to make sure I allocate 6 stitches. And the easiest way for me to do that is to hold my doll flat and find the 3 stitches on both sides. So here is where I can mark the 3 stitches. So here I have 1, 2, and 3 stitches. This is where I want to insert one arm. And let me count 6 stitches to the side to see how that looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this would be the next one, where I'd want to attach the second arm. One, 2, and 3 stitches for the arm. All right, so let's see. And the back should have 6 stitches as well. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so it checks out. There should be, again, you have to double check for the specific pattern because the different doll sizes have different stitches for these sections, but this particular doll has 3 stitches allocated for each arm, 6 stitches in the front, 6 in the back. All right, so after you mark the stitches, it's time to actually crochet them. For this doll, I am going to be single crocheting until I reach the first stitch marker. And now that I'm here at the first marked stitch, I'm going to attach one arm. So for the arm, you're actually going to go through 2 layers. You're going to flatten the arm, and the last round of this arm is 6 stitches. When you flatten it, it'll be 2 or 3 pairs of stitches. So here I'm going into one layer and the second layer, keeping it flat. And I'm going to go and put my hook into the first stitch of the body, the first available stitch, where I want to attach the arm. And now I'm going to make a single crochet, like so. Then go into the next pair of stitches, into the arm. I'm in the next set of stitches, and go into the next stitch in the body, and single crochet. Let's do it one last time. This is the last pair of stitches in the arm, going into that next stitch in the body, and single crochet. As you can see, we've just crocheted the arm to the body using a no-sew method. I can pull out my stitch marker now, or my yarn marker. And that arm is attached. And we can now move on to the middle stitches here. Sometimes I will indicate to just single crochet across in the middle stitches. And for now, we're going to go ahead and single crochet twice and then decrease across. So single crochet twice and a decrease. Single crochet twice. All right. So that's that for this particular doll. Now I've reached the marker again, and I'm going to go ahead and attach the next arm. For the next arm, it's the same deal. We're going to single crochet the arm to the body, going through 2 layers of the arm and 1 layer of the body. So let's see if I can go through 2 layers here. 2 stitches and 1 stitch in the body. As you can see here, there's 3 layers total, and I'm going to single crochet all of those together. Now let's go through the second set of stitches. And single crochet together. And the last set of stitches, single crochet together. All right, and at the back of this doll, I'm just going to simply finish off this round. And that's that for the joining the arms round. As you can see, it was quite quick to get both of those arms crocheted on without any sewing needed. Very easy way to attach those arms. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and hope it was helpful.